Thanks for listening to this episode of Automotive Repair News Today. I'm your host, Braxton Critcher, and we're about to take a quick trip around the automotive repair industry's biggest stories. First up, the Repair Act is back. 16 bipartisan lawmakers reintroduced the bill last week, led by Republican Neil Dunn and Democrat Marie Perez. The bill would lift automaker restrictions on vehicle data access, ensuring consumers can choose where and how their vehicles are repaired. See, 70% of the nation's 292 million vehicles are maintained by independent repair shops. However, modern vehicles with ADAS, telematics, and software-driven diagnostics have made accessing repair information difficult. Here are a couple of things to highlight from the reintroduced bill. Consumer choice and access. This will guarantee vehicle owners and repair shops access to necessary diagnostic data and, most importantly, tools. Also, fair competition. It will prevent automakers from monopolizing their repair services. Cybersecurity and safety protections. It'll also help ensure secure access to vehicle repair data. And safety and compliance. It'll help provide essential data for calibrating brake systems, ADAS, and other safety features. MEMA aftermarket suppliers Carter Solwin stressed the importance of bipartisan support, pointing out that 56 lawmakers backed the bill last year. And the Auto Care Association's Lisa Fauché said she's optimistic about the bill's ability to be passed soon. Research shows that over 60% of independent repair shops in the U.S. struggle with routine repairs because of the access issues, and 50% send cars back to dealerships. We'll continue to follow the story. Honda is shifting production of its next-generation Civic Hybrid from Mexico to Indiana due to the new tariffs imposed by the Trump administration. Originally set to begin in November of 2027, production will now start in May of 2028, with a target of 210,000 vehicles per year. The exact Indiana location remains unannounced, though Honda operates a plant in Greensburg, southeast of Indianapolis. This move follows a March 4th tariff increase, raising import taxes from Canada and Mexico to 25%, while Chinese imports doubled to 20%. The tariffs will also impact steel and aluminum, key materials in auto manufacturing. Of course, the flip side is jobs will be coming back to the U.S., and the local housing market and economy of the new plant will see a boost. CarParts.com is launching Fix-It Day 2025, a community-driven event providing free car repairs to struggling families after the wildfires in Southern California. In partnership with Safe Parking LA, the Peterson Automotive Museum, and other businesses, the event will take place on Sunday, March 2nd in LA. Technicians will service 38 pre-selected families, many displaced by the Los Angeles wildfires, offering brake replacements, battery changes, oil changes, and more. Safe Parking Los Angeles emphasizes that for many, a working vehicle means keeping a job or getting medical care. The Peterson Museum is hosting the event with several others contributing tools, labor, and essential parts. Organizers say Fix-It Day is about more than just cars. It's about restoring hope and stability. The Automotive Aftermarket Products Expo, otherwise known as APEX 2025, is now accepting session proposals for Joe's Garage, a hands-on learning space for independent repair professionals. Selected speakers will present live at APEX 2025, happening November 4th through the 6th at the Venetian Expo in Las Vegas. Sessions will be chosen based on relevance to repair professionals, learning outcomes, and presenter qualifications. Selected presenters can earn $500 per session, plus hotel accommodations and a $750 stipend. Proposals are now open. Email Kelly at apexshow.com. That's Kelly at apexshow.com for details. Nissan is reportedly planning to replace CEO Makoto Uchida. While no final decision has been made, the search for a successor comes amid poor financial performance and, well, the failed merger with Honda. Uchida, who has led Nissan since 2019, has expressed willingness to step down after stabilizing the company. However, Nissan's financial outlook has worsened, shifting from a projected $380 billion profit to a $80 billion net loss for the year. The automaker also faces record debt in 2025 and a junk credit rating from all major agencies. Registration is now open for the 15th annual ASE Instructor Training Conference set for July 21st through 24th at the Hyatt Regency St. Louis at the Arch. Hosted by the ASE Education Foundation, this event is the largest of its kind, bringing together high school and college instructors from auto, truck, and collision repair programs from across the country. With over 20 hours of technical update training and specialized tracks for different disciplines, it's a must-attend event for educators in the field. Sign up now and secure your spot. Transtar Aftermarket Solutions, a division of Nexamotion Group, is expanding its inventory by adding general repair parts commonly used in transmission repair shops at over 50 locations. With this expansion, most of Transtar's 70 locations will now carry these parts. New additions include Denso ignition coils and sensors, Promax brake pads and rotors, Sunsong brake hoses, GSP CV axles, and DFC brake components. This move aims to provide repair shops with a broader selection of essential parts for efficient service. Applications are now open for the ASC Chairman Scholarship, available through March 31st. Eligible applicants include graduating high school seniors, recent graduates, or GED holders planning to enroll in an ASE-accredited automotive program or college. The scholarship is for the 2025-2026 academic year and can be applied for through Automotive Aftermarket Scholarships Central. Apply now. That does it for this week's episode of Automotive Repair News Today. I'm Braxton. By the way, I will be at Vision 2025 in Kansas City this week, so if you're around, hit me up. Would love to chat with you, maybe even have you on the podcast. Until next time, I'm Braxton. This is Automotive Repair News Today. Hey, if you're still here, thank you so much for listening to this episode of Automotive Repair News Today. If you enjoyed the show, please take a moment, like, share, subscribe to the podcast. It'll help us out a big deal and help grow the show. And you know what? While you're at it, slap on a review too if you feel like this content is helpful for the industry. Don't forget to follow us on all your favorite social media platforms. We're on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. Stay connected and be the first to know about new episodes, behind-the-scene content, and more. And until next time, let's make the industry better together.